My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. Matter wey dem talk say make mama and papa no hear, matter don finally enter market oh. Na mama and papa now dey settle the matter. Una see this Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniel drama wey be say e hold children, e no gree release children. E don become a thing of national case. Yes oh. And that particular video wey Regina Daniel do, wey she use her children portrait take celebrate her children's birthday, that one too don enter national. Omo, day before yesterday, na im Ned Nwoko go to celebrate im colleague wey im mama dey celebrate her 75 years birthday, abi 79 years birthday. Now on that day of the celebration, na im dem finally scatter the table. Like Ned Nwoko never saw it coming because he went there purposely for the birthday purpose. But at the end of the day, they scatter the table for am, make am realize say anywhere where you go now, your shadow go always go with you. And who is your shadow? Regina Daniel. In as much as say you no wan do the needful, people that matters will keep on reminding you until you finally do the needful. Now him come he come post this particular video wey una dey see for my screen so, alongside this caption saying, I joined my distinguished colleague, His Excellency Senator Orji Uzor Kalu family and friends in celebrating the 79th birthday of Chief Mrs. Eunice Uzor Kalu, a worthy tribute to a remarkable matriarch whose grace, strength, and value continue to inspire generations. I wish her many more years in good health, happiness, and God's abundant blessings. Happy 79th birthday, Mama. Now, how did they come post this particular update be that though? Now, so many senators were in this particular gathering, including Dino Malaye. So many of them, senators, them, now they full this event. Say they live the moment. Now, they say Dino Malaye, according to people where they did there when the incident happened, because one person can't come under the comment section of Ned Nwoko, when they ask and say, what later transpired between you and Dino Malaye? Did you guys later ended up well? Or how far? Now the question where they call the ask Ned Nwoko be that too. But now who go answer? Now we never know. Now the question where they ask am, they say at the end of the whole thing, after which they happy Dino Malaye come meet am then jolly together they snap picture, they do video, they chop for the same table, then dance. They say as Ipa wan come go, na him Dino Malaye come go meet am say him wan go. He say yes, say him be wan discuss something with am. Na him Ned Nwoko come say okay, say him go dey for car wait for am. Before you know, Dino Malaye come go meet am because na Ipa bin don prepare wan go. Him the Dino Malaye was still there, so he need to go arrange himself, go meet Ipa. Na him dey say he go meet Ipa. Guess what? Na him come dey tell Ipa say this thing wey dey happen for the internet wey be say im dey trend for the wrong reasons, wetin im get to talk put inside the matter. Na im Ipa come ask am say what exactly, wetin im dey really dey talk because im no understand. Na im Dino Malaye come tell am say this Regina Daniel and her children matter, wetin im get to chook mouth put inside. Why not him allow the girl have access to her children, allow her collect the children, make im dey pay support. Say im get other children na abi and they dey for im house, so her own now no go really stop anything. That is his own take though. Na im dey say Ipa was disappointed and he felt disrespected. Na im he start to, you know say im sabi vex on a normal day, to vex like charger no dey hard am. Na im dey say he start dey talk to Dino Malaye anyhow. Say why would you interfere in my family issues? That this one is a family matter. This one is not election, is not senatorial, is not a thing of backyard talk. Say he know say dem bin don do the backyard talk before him come dey face am dey tell am dis matter so. Say on im norms he's not supposed to ask him or tell him about his wife. That Regina Daniel is his wife and na im personal issues, na im family issues. E suppose to remain that way. Na dey say Dino Melaye, una know say that one too na drama king on a normal day. Na im tell am say which one be personal issues, personal issues. E no suppose be a thing of public. Say no be for internet. Na im see am wey im dey talk to am so. Say na internet something oga. So everybody have right to chook mouth put for anything that has to do with internet. So for that reason, all these things wey im dey talk no be am at all at all. Make im go allow the girl access to her children and stop being manipulative. Say the last time they checked, then some set of people come say they don give her access to her children and the girl come still dey go dey post video with her children portraits. That who does that? That is emotional enough. That if na so im mama and im papa do, im go dey happy for im life like this. Say it's not supposed to be. Make him go do the needful. Now they say he passed out to start the para, they shout, they talk, they lament. Wey other of their colleague come even dey chook mouth for inside the matter. Say e never reach to quarrel. Some even dey blame the Dino Melaye. Say you are not supposed to say anything concerning this matter. Say e don become family matter. They should have limit to how im go take chook mouth put. Say e no dey related to the Regina Daniel. While some set of im colleagues dem, they were in support, that they are happy say Dino Melaye confront Ipa, telling him the needful. Say if dem no tell am, im no go know wetin im dey do wey dey wrong. Say he is very very wrong to have done that to Regina Daniel. Like greater numbers of im colleagues dem, dey kuku open up to am, tell am as e dey be, hold her, say no Ipa, you no try for this one. Please allow the girl access to her children. It is not good. Every day, the same thing every day. It's not supposed to be like that. It is supposed to be a thing of mutual understanding. If she is not doing again, does not mean you people will now be enemies. They say na so dem gather Ipa o. They start the advice Ipa for there. Now they say Ipa provoke enter motor comot. Why? Because they confronted him. But he was bittered about the confrontation of Dino Melaye because if you say na him start the conversation, because normally na how are you na him bring fine. Say Ademi Dino no start am. Other people no go get mind to come get the ododo, come dey tell am say make him allow Regina Daniel access to her children. That Dino Melaye don really cross the line. Say no be today, Dino Melaye no love am, he no like am as a person. He has been enemy of progress. Me I come dey now dey talk say which one be enemy of progress again? If person dey, he tell you say make you try do the needful. Make you try do the needful for the betterment of you and the family. You say na enemy of progress. Na so enemy of progress dey be. Na so enemy of progress dey be. Of course not. I don't think what Dino Melaye said was wrong, but because Ipa na very troublesome and wahalalistic person, na im make him take am personal. Because according to Rana, he say the attack on him is just too much. Him don dey see her now say Regina Daniel is indeed a light. If na another person, people will hardly chook mouth put inside this matter. But because she's a child of grace, they are even speaking for her, even when she's not even there to speak for herself. Is God not wonderful? Now she's the one now on her own, and people are speaking for her. Even though some people dey say na family matter, oga, e no be family matter again. In as much as say e dey for public space, everybody have right to chook mouth inside the matter. Everybody have right to chook mouth for inside the matter. Whether monkey or goat, everybody will definitely chook mouth inside the matter. So if you are not comfortable, enter house. If you are not comfortable, jejely and wildly enter house. That is the best thing to do, and not the other way around. So for Dino Melaye, I think I am very very okay, and I am happy with the way he approached him, telling him to his face, making him know say in matter don already sacra come the whole place. Everybody is aware of his wickedness towards Regina Daniel and her children. So he should do the needful. If you feel embarrassed or feel paid or feel as if they attack am unprovoked, you should allow Regina Daniel access to her children because she is alive, healthy and sound. She no be the druggy wey im talk say she be. Even if she dey do am before, she no dey do am again. She's not looking tacky. She's not looking stressed. She's not looking like somebody who is a druggy person. But you tag am, carry am, put for where we no know. Now, they say release her, you say you no go release the children for am. Who does that? So e good as e be say any occasion wey you go now, make dey scatter the table for im hand. Make im know talk say no be everybody pikin na you go collect hoe. E get some kind of children wey you go hoe, you no go get peace. Na im be this one so. You know say im dey do am before, no be today. E good as dem dey do am this one so, make im know. Abi guys, what do you think? Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble get gifted gist. I'm going to bring on later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.